Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art, and today I am going to be painting with these Mardi Gras beads. I'm gonna paint some flowers with these beads. I might occasionally use some brushes, and if I decide to use brushes, these are the brushes I'm gonna use. This is angular or angled brush. This is round brush, and this is like very fine small brush for details. I might also use this liner brush here. Just got these little liner brushes. It's very fine. I might use it as well. So yeah, and let's get started. I will be using blue. This is phthalo blue. I'll use also magenta, and I will use white. Okay, so let's get started. This is gonna be a tutorial, so what I will do is I'll start over here with putting some white down because I want the background to have white paint on it. These will be very small flowers. I'm not gonna make like huge flowers because I want about 3 or 4 on each side. So now that I put that down, I am going to start with blue. I'll put a little blue on the rim. I'll put magenta right next to it. Magenta. So I am going to take this, place it down like that, and drag the paint towards the middle. Drag it. There. We'll do another one over here. Start with white. Blue. It looks like I have some cells developing, which is fine. I don't mind. It actually makes it look really pretty. Same thing. Place. Drag it down. Guys, from here on, the process is really gonna be the same. I pour the white paint down, then I put the blue, and then the magenta, and then I use the I'll use the beads, the Mardi Gras beads, and then just make the flower just like that. And all the flowers are gonna made like that, and yeah, so I will not be talking really so much because it is the same process. So just watch. If you want to make yours, I suggest that you watch first. Just make sure you watch the whole video and then repeat it. And you can pause in between while you're making your flower, just so you can kind of, follow along and paint your own beautiful flower. And again, you can make this with any colors of your choice, any any of your favorite colors you can use to make your beautiful flower. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop talking and just make this really quick. It's not gonna be very long, and I hope you enjoy it. See you at the end of the video. Okay, I've already started putting some leaves on here. I'm using pale green and phthalo green to put my little leaves around the flowers.